Yes, welcome back to my platform. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to look at adverbs of manner. Now, adverbs of manner are extracted from adjectives. An adjective is simply a word that describes a noun. For example, an adjective would be correct, beautiful, natural, quiet, loud. Other adjectives might be cute, he is cute, the answer is correct. These are all considered to be adjectives because they describe a noun. Now, when we go over to the extraction of adverbs of manner, these adverbs of manner of words describes how the verb is done. So as we said before, he is correct. He would be the subject. Correct would be the adjective. Now, when it comes on to adverbs of manner, it describes how the verb is done. We can say, he answers correctly. Can you see that? He answers correctly. Correctly would be the adverb of manner, which describes how the verb is done. Answers. So again, he is correct. Correct would be an adjective. He, the subject, which is being described by correct. When it comes on to adverbs, he answers correctly. Correctly speaks about how he answers. Now, can you give me a sentence with beautifully? Please write your sentence in the comment section below. I'm going to give you a few seconds to write and to think of one. Are you done? Now, I'll give you a sentence. She sings beautifully. She talks beautifully. Now, if I were to go to beautiful, she is beautiful. The baby is beautiful. Now, let's go to natural. The juice is natural. Naturally, as an adverb of manner, he squeezes the juice naturally. Okay. Now, quiet. He is quiet. He quietly speaks each time in the class so that no one can hear him. Okay. Loud. He is loud. He is loud. Loudly, adverb of manner. He always talks loudly. You see that? He always talks loudly. Keep in mind, adverbs of manner comes after the verb. Adjectives comes after the noun. Now here, this is a helping verb is, and the ruling is slightly different with the is because it's not the main verb, or it's not the focus of this lesson where we link the adverb to the noun. So here we're describing the noun who is he. Then we're going to link it to the subject, which we say he, and then correct. When it comes to this, he answers correctly. This is a different scenario, and correctly describes the answers, which is the main verb of this sentence. So I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this brief video. Like it, subscribe, and give me other sentences using adjectives. Then you extract and form adverb from that adjective. Thank you and bye.